boy, C Time here, guy. What's good with y'all? Yo, I know I've been going for a little bit. It's been like a week or so since I posted, or a couple weeks probably. I'm just gonna do a little quick video, man. Right now, I got my hair in braids. I had my hair in braids for a week now. Um, so I got a line on my head, but whatever. So here's the braids right here. This is a week old braids. Y'all can see the new hang time on them. Yeah, man, hang time got longer. You see that? This is what, 13 months. So I'm like healthy into the 13 months right now. Still haven't gotten a trim. But I don't really think I need it. I took my hair out that one time I thought I needed one and took the hair out and went through it. Man, I ain't need a trim. I'll probably do one on my 1.5 or 2 year mark. I ain't sure, but right now my hair's still growing. It's growing healthy. 1 year, I'm at 1 week of braids right here. We do a little moisturizer in them, and yeah, just see how it is, man. So I figured out a new way to moisturize my hair as well, and I'm about to show y'all real quick, man. Still using my As I Am leave-in conditioner. I am almost out of it. I got less than like a quarter bottle left in this thing, so you might just see it. So yeah, and I'll be trying a new product. I'll be trying a new leave-in conditioner after this. So this is just a trial right here, just to see how my hair reacts to it, and it actually been doing really good for my hair. I like this stuff, the smell of it. I like the feel of it. It doesn't leave a lot of residue in my hair. So this is pretty good. So yeah. Oh yeah, I got paint on my hand too, so don't mind that. Doing a little 3D printing. I've been 3D printing for a couple weeks now, and been painting them. So a little bit in my hand, just a little bit. It's more for the fingertips anyway. Well, actually, it's for the whole hand. Be like that, and dab it in. This is so I can reduce the frizz, yo. I just learned this from somebody's YouTube channel. I forgot the name. I was just going through looking for ways to moisturize my braids and reduce the frizz. But I found a few videos on how to do it, and a lot of them are just putting it in their hand. They spray it with water first, but I don't have my spray bottle here. So, and then they just dap it in, you know. And it reduces the frizz because you're not dragging your hand along your braids. So that helps out a lot. My braids look really good for 1 week. That'll be it for now right there. Alright, and then I'm going to take my mixture of oils. Take that up real quick, get them all mixed up. Just a few types of oils in this thing. Same thing, not a lot. This is more for the fingertips anyway. And just dab it on my scalp. You know what I'm saying? Just dab it on there. In the palm, I just go ahead and put it on the braids. That locks in the moisture. And and don't worry about the line on my forehead. I don't usually wear my do-rag like that to get the line. I usually do it the right way, but last night I was being lazy, so kind of slept like this and woke up with it like that. Alright, and then that's it, man. I'm gonna go ahead and put the do-rag on. You can see that it's moisturized. It's shiny. It's got a little moisture. I can feel it in my hair. I need to do the back though, for real. That's more important right now. The hang time. The ends of your hair is more important though. It's like they gotta get really moisturized. So I'm gonna put a little bit more on those real quick. Those I'm gonna rub it in because that's just my hang time. Those are usually not even under the do-rag when I wear my do-rag, so they're already like, you know what I'm saying, they're fuzzy a little bit, you can see it. But, let's see. See it hang time a little bit. I'm not gonna see it though. Alright. I'm gonna throw my do-rag. I'm gonna throw it on lazy again because I am not in a rush, but kinda got shit to do. I don't feel like doing my do-rag the right way. Alright. There you go, man. That's it. There y'all have it, man. I just did a whole moisturize with the hair. I ain't even got the light on, y'all. Let me show you something, man. They don't even look good at all. Alright, anyway. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get up off here, y'all. That's my video. Just letting y'all see what I've been up to. I ain't been up to nothing, man. Doing some 3D printing. Still taking care of the hair here and there. Still making sure I moisturize it. That's it, man. I'm just working and living life. I will be doing another video sometime next week, so look out for that one. Yeah, I just been busy, man, doing these 3D prints. People have been asking for prints and just toys for the kids. So I've been printing a bunch of toys and stuff on the 3D printer. If y'all want to see some of those 3D prints that I printed out, let me know, y'all, because I can show y'all some of my prints. I'm still new at it. I just started it. I got an airbrush set, so I just started airbrushing again for a little bit. So yeah, it's coming along. We're gonna have some fun with it. So I've been putting time in that. So it hasn't been videos. It's been more 3D prints and stuff lately. But yeah, y'all, I'm out, y'all. Keep throwing, keep going. God bless. Peace.